Sunflower oil begins its journey in vast golden fields under the morning sun. These mature sunflowers are ready for harvest.
Modern harvesting machines collect the sunflower heads efficiently.
The seeds are separated from the flower heads instantly. Fresh sunflower seeds are loaded for transport. They are transported to one of the largest oil processing factories. Every delivery is carefully weighed and recorded.
The seeds are stored in massive silos.
Before processing, the seeds are thoroughly cleaned. Magnets remove any metal impurities. The outer shells are removed to access the oil-rich kernels. Powerful rollers crush the kernels into smaller particles. The crushed seeds are gently heated to release oil more easily.
Mechanical presses squeeze out the crude sunflower oil. Golden crude oil flows into collection tanks.
The remaining oil cake will be used for animal feed.
Food-grade hexane helps maximize oil recovery. The solvent is safely evaporated and recycled.
Now the crude oil is ready for refining.
During degumming, natural gums and phospholipids are removed to improve oil purity and stability.
Neutralization eliminates free fatty acids to enhance quality and extend shelf life.
The fully refined sunflower oil is transferred to storage tanks.
Strong, food-grade bottles are manufactured to ensure safe packaging. High-pressure air transforms each preform into a perfect bottle.
Advanced scanners inspect every bottle for defects. Bottles enter the fully automated filling line.
Precise measurement ensures consistent quantity in every bottle. Robotic systems place each bottle undergoes leak detection testing. Labels are printed with product details and branding. Labels are precisely applied to every bottle. Batch numbers and expiry dates are printed for traceability.
Bottles are grouped and securely shrink-wrapped.
Automated systems pack bottles into strong cartons.
Each carton is weighed to ensure accuracy.
Barcodes are scanned for tracking and inventory control.
Cartons are stacked neatly onto pallets.
Finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. Forklifts carefully load the shipment onto trucks.
The truck is sealed for secure transportation.
The shipment begins its journey to markets nationwide.
Modern logistics ensure timely delivery.
Products arrive at regional distribution centers.
Retail stores receive the packaged oil.
Sunflower oil is placed on supermarket shelves.
Customers choose quality they can trust. The oil enters homes and kitchens. It brings flavor and nutrition to everyday meals.
A healthy meal prepared with pure sunflower oil.
It connects families around the dining table.
Premium quality. Trusted purity. From seed to shelf, sunflower oil powers kitchens worldwide.